What's good, guys? It's Berto, and today we're in Tulum, Mexico. Don't mind me, the sun is coming out right now. It is about 9 o'clock, but I actually arrived here yesterday, and when I got here it was kind of late, so it started getting dark. It was like 6:30 or something like that when it started getting darker, so I didn't really do much. I went out to get some food, which I will show you here. Alright, I had to change where I was standing because the sun was way too harsh. But yeah, I went to Burrito Amor and it was so good. They had a few vegan options, and even with the sauce, the waiter did bring me like another sauce. It was a habanero, salt, and lime concoction, and it was spicy. But the guacamole definitely helped to like soothe things a bit, but that spice does last. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, yesterday was kind of a mess because my flight was delayed. My flight was supposed to take off at like 7:30 a.m. but we ended up flying at like 9 a.m. or something like that. This was the first time this has happened to me for this long, so I was so tired. I just slept. Like, I slept throughout that whole debacle of waiting to take off. But I also did take the ADO, which is the bus service that they have out here that goes to different locations. So I took the ADO from Cancun to Tulum, but in between it did stop at Playa del Carmen, and now I'm here at Una Luna Tulum. So let me show you around a little bit. We have some pool action, which I'm not too sure if I'm gonna get in there, but it's good that they do have a pool. And then we have some seats right here with a nice view, and there is some construction around, so if that is something that bothers you, then you might want to reconsider. But still, it's a pretty nice place. Let's go down a little bit. There's my handy dandy tripod, and we have a shower right here and lots of plants everywhere. Have a convenience store right there, and then also another area where you can chill, relax, take a load off. All right, let's go down the stairs. And that is actually my room. Alright, as far as my room goes, we have a little couch over here. We have a giant mirror right there, which is awesome. We have a little table area right there. And we have a little kitchen area right here. Let's go over this way. This is where the bed is. The bed is pretty comfy. And then we have a nice view over here. Let me show that real quick. It's not that nice of a view because they're doing construction, but like, you get some light. Big old TV right here. And then we also have a nice bathroom over here. Bathroom, mirror, all of that good stuff. So yeah, this is the place. And now it is time to do some exploring. Hola. Things seem very calm right now. It is the morning, so I guess everybody's getting situated, getting prepared for the day. But yeah, I'm gonna go and try to get some cash because I have no monies. I have no pesos. I used my credit card yesterday, but yeah, I need some cash. This place is called Raw Love Cafe. They have vegan dishes and whatnot. Looks very bohemian vibes, I guess you would say. I don't know. Look at the skills. Traffic there. Nice. It's so funny because as I was walking through like the strip that has a bunch of stores and stuff like that, there were two people from two different stores that are not next to each other that were like, "Hola, Rambo." I'm not sure if it's the muscles or the bandana or a combination of the both. Or the two, rather. But yeah, I guess I'm Rambo. I'm actually headed to the pitted date right now. I don't know why it took me this strange direction. I feel like there might have been an easier way of getting there, but we're walking through a bunch of dirt, rocks, and all that good stuff. I'm ready to eat. Alright, we're here at the pitted date. I have my Americano right here. Let me show you this better. Americano. Now I'm just waiting on the food. I ordered a few things. You'll see. Almost burnt my goddamn tongue out. Alright, check this out. We have a mushroom omelet. Yo, this thing looks so freaking beautiful. Potatoes on the side as well. Yeah. Great combination. So I'm not done with the omelet yet, but the French toast came out, so I really didn't think it was gonna be this much. But that shit is the size of my head. You see? The size of my head. Smells good. It's like, how do you even approach this? That's really good. Okay, lastly we have an acai bowl because it wouldn't be a Berto trip if I didn't get an acai bowl. So yeah, I have some What you looking at? Gato. Alright, so I was gonna walk to the Tulum Jungle Gym, which is a far walk, but then I was walking past, and as you can see, I have a helmet on my head. I was walking past this place that is really new. They have scooters. So instead of walking, I'm gonna scoot my ass to Tulum Jungle Gym. I don't know if I'm gonna work out or anything like that, but we're just gonna ride and try to be safe. And Edgar right here helped me out, and it's called Tulum Scooters, and it costs 1,000 pesos for 24 hours. So yeah. So many potholes here. Oh, pass you? Alright. Thanks. Tulum Jungle Gym? The Jungle Gym? You don't know? Okay, it said it was over here. It said it was on my left, but I don't see it. Yeah.
This is the place is Bagatelle.
Okay. Alright, thank you. It's okay. Hola. ¿Dónde está el playa?
Playa
Yeah.
pública.
Sí.
Aquí no va a encontrar, hermano.
No.
Ya quedó aquí atrás.
Ah.
El pez, dice pez, abajito.
This way. Oh, okay. This is private?
Sí.
For Tulum.
Pues,
I see. Sorry. Okay, gracias.
aquí no va a encontrar.
Okay, back that way. Gracias. I keep going? Yeah. Gracias. So as you did see, I came from that super touristy area where the gym was, but I didn't go. It felt super corny, so I'm going to the ruins right now. I'm sorry if you like that, but I'm not into it. That whole area just seems so forced. Like, it feels fake. I don't know, whatever. We'll see if this is better. So I stood in line for maybe 15 minutes or so. It was a long line, but just got in right now. I'm gonna check it out. It was 80 pesos. So, yeah. So they took my tripod. I don't know why. Maybe it just gets in the way, but they took my big old tripod. I still have my small one, so I might be able to still use that, if anything, take some pictures. They said they'll have it when I'm coming back out, so yeah. Time to walk up these stairs. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right, we're gonna try going this way. It's actually really beautiful.
Ich glaube, ich kann mich damit arrangieren.
There's a lot of tours going on, but I didn't really feel like going on a tour. I felt like just going at my own pace and just like reading things as I go. So that is what I'm doing, but it's pretty amazing to see this. Look at all that cactus. What you yelling about, birdie?
Gracias.
De nada.
Thank you.
No problem.
Gracias, gracias.
De nada. And this is called the Temple of Wind God. Wind God. Templo del Dios del Viento. Says experts have identified that a feature of the temples built in the wind god was a circular shape when seen from above. This is the case in Tulum, which is rare in Mayan architecture. Oh, there's a beach over here. And this apparently is the palace of the Great Lord. And here is the castle. And they mentioned that this is the most important building of Tulum. Yo, these things jumped out of nowhere. Yeah, this thing is just chilling right here. He was feeding it a little while ago. Looking at people and their frightened faces while seeing the iguanas. Priceless. The Mayans of Tulum relied mainly on the sea for their sustenance. From it, they obtained food as well as materials for making tools, rituals, objects, ornaments, and multi-use utensils. There are houses and small gardens that produce maize, chili peppers, beans, squash, annatto, tomatoes, roots, tubers, and some fruits. The Mayas were skilled in the use of herbs and practiced herbal medicine. They made use of whatever the jungle offered them. It was a bountiful area for hunting animals and gathering edible species growing wild, as well as for capturing birds that provided them with brightly colored feathers. Now Spanish. No, I'm just playing. Alright, so I just finished up in there. I know I didn't see everything, but it was interesting to see, and I'm ready to go. That's why I didn't want to do a tour, because, you know, I'm ready to go when I'm ready to go, and the time is now. So we're gonna go somewhere else. Check that out, balancing on her head. That's awesome. ¿Qué tienes?
Tengo empanadas, pescadillas, gorditas de chicharrón y tortas de camarón.
Gotcha. Okay, gracias. Don't worry, I ain't gonna mess with you. Just recording. Hi. I don't even know what these are. Alright, I came inside this market just so I can use the bathroom, but there are pretty interesting stuff here. Sabritas. Hola.
Hola.
Sí. Para
¿Nos visita? ¿Para dónde?
para YouTube.
Para YouTube. Mira, pues estamos haciendo las chancletas así.
Chancletas.
Así de
Oh,
Estamos elaborando así
nice.
las artesanías.
How long does it take?
Es chanclas de macramé con estas.
¿Cuánto tiempo?
Nos lleva a hacerlo como una hora.
¿Una hora?
Las dos.
¿Cuánto tú hacer día? El
Por
día.
día.
Yeah, por día.
Pues 2, 3, dependiendo porque es un tiempo libre.
I see.
En el tiempo libre nada más los vamos a hacer.
Okay.
Los vamos elaborando. También elaboramos bolsas.
Bags too?
Como
¿Dónde?
Estas bolsas.
Okay.
Elaboramos estas.
Bonita.
También
¿verdad?
elaboramos unos dijes artesanales.
Nice.
Esos se soldan aquí. Ahorita te voy a mostrar.
Oh, okay.
Este es el abecedario. Ay, María. El abecedario maya. Con esta máquina prendemos esto
Okay.
y lo soldamos aquí.
Yeah, she was saying that she makes those here. If you didn't understand what she was saying, she makes the bags and makes the shoes as well. So that's pretty dope. Buen día. Grabando para YouTube. Sí. I should get one of these. Look like Rey Mysterio. Alright, this is also a little spot right next to the hotel. Just wanted to show you a few of the fruits and veggies that they have. Onions, bananas. I might actually get some bananas. All types of fruits, eggs, if you're into that, candy and whatnot. Tomatoes, aguacate, potatoes. They have a bunch of things. Alright, I am back outside. I wanted to get back out before the sun went down, so now I'm walking to get some food. Trying to get some, I think, tacos. I just found a place that had vegan options, or it's fully vegan. I really don't even know. I was just rushing so I could hurry up and get some food before the light went down, or the sun went down. Alright, we're going. It's pretty chill over here. Not too crazy yet. Just walking. Hola. There's different stores over here. Hola, Berto. Hola. Oh my god, I hear so many birds. What the heck is happening? Yeah, where's all of this coming from, these birds? Lord have mercy. Got a little market over here. Oh my god. That's all of these birds over here. That is a lot. Damn, they're making so much noise. It's crazy. No, gracias.
Banderas de coco, pen candy, M&A, gomis, garapiñar.
¿Tiene productos de animales?
Mande.
¿Productos de animales?
No.
¿No?
Están ricas. Las hace mi abuelita. Son hechas al horno. Deliciosas.
¿Cuánto?
Esa a 51.
¿50? Ok. Un momento.
Sí, sí, corazón. Allá, aquí, mira, aquí.
Sí, sí. I'm pretty sure I like just completely dismissed my directions, but whatever. Check this out. See all the birds? Just like flying around from tree to tree. Look at that. All right, we made it to the spot. It is called El Bajon Vegano. They have vegan tacos. All right, so I pretty much left it up to the waiter to pick my tacos. So I'm getting tacos. I'll let them know as long as I'm getting the chicharron one in there, I'm good. All right, so we have a ginger kombucha right here. Always got to be careful with your kombucha. You don't want it to just go everywhere. Oh, you know what? Let me get let me give it a couple minutes. And the tacos are here. That one looks like it's seitan maybe. That one looks like it's probably the chippies. Maybe that one is soy. That one chicharron. Yo, honestly, I don't even know. I'm gonna have to ask. So I did in fact get it right. That was the seitan, that was the chickpeas, that was the soy, and that was the chicharron. And if you can see over there, they have some sauces. So we're gonna definitely put some sauces on there. Look at all of the decor. Vegan everywhere. I put some picante on that one, I believe. I think there were two that was picante. This one as well, and that one. And then this is muy picante, which is muy hot. Very hot. So I'm gonna do that one last because I'm not trying to do that to myself. Added onions over here too, so it should be good. And I'm also gonna put some lime. Oh, that's good. Very smooth kombucha. Like you get the carbonation, but it's pretty smooth. Now it's time for tacos. We're gonna start with the chicharron. Don't mind me talking to myself. Pretty subtle flavor. The texture is there. I could have definitely put more like sauce on it, but it's good. Now it's time for the soy. That one's really good. That's flavored really well. It's kind of like curry tasting. Thing. I think this is the owner just gave me this sticker. So far, the soy one is the best. Yeah, that was really good. Oh my god. It gets better and better. I started it in the right order. The seitan is even better than the soy. You definitely get like a charred type taste and texture. Thank you, I appreciate it. Alright, let's see how I deal with this spice. The spice isn't too bad. I thought it was going to be way worse. It was good, but it wasn't better than the seitan. Number 1 is the seitan. 2 is the soy. 3 I think might be the chickpea. And then 4 is the chicharron. That sounds about right. Or 3 and 4 could be tied. I just know that seitan was the best. So they're out of dessert, so I ordered 2 seitan tacos, 2 more, because I liked it so much. So we're gonna fill this up with spice and enjoy it. Here it is. Put some onions, put some picante and more picante. Here is the lime. Round 2. I'm definitely a fan. So I did eat already, but yo, Tulum has a bunch of vegan spots and vegan options out here. This is vegan and vegetarian, so yeah, they have a bunch of stuff like this out here. Yo, it actually gets pretty poppin' over here, it looks like, because it feels very lively. There's a bunch of like vendors and stuff over there, and then all down this strip there's restaurants and vendors and whatnot, so pretty dope. They have Chinese food, Mexican Chinese food. Hey, random doggy. Aw, it's a girl.